It's been a minute since my last video, but hey, I'm back doing it now. Shout out to Shalom for helping me to get back into it. It's a fun fact. If you look back at the other videos when I was gonna have a guest, that's who the guest was supposed to be. But hey, we're going forward, right? So today we're going over Run, Visco, and Riven. Some of these opportunities I missed out on, but still looking to get more. Perfectly fine. And that's what I'm going for. So using the same strategy. And when I get a sec, what I want to do is live record trading options and put that here because that's a whole different beast. But until then, just this. All right. First one up that we've got here is Run. It's a solar company. And with a monthly view, we can see a cup and handle forming. So, got this going on. You got the boom, got the cup, and then a little bit of retrace there, not much of one. So we're waiting for a deeper pullback around there. And then even after it gets there, that's not the confirmation. Before, boom, it's to get and close like above there. So that way we know it's going to go up further. See the same kind of thing. So waiting for a pullback around here. So actually what we're going to do there then, you see where it kind of consolidated for a little bit. Not much consolidation, but consolidated a bit. But actually let's put this. Let's put it there. Let's put it there waiting for it to retrace it there. And that's what we're going to do for Run. If it's come back, and then when it starts getting back up and it closes above here, and boom, we're going for it. So now back to one of the classics that I love, Visco. So this here, we're gonna get into that in a minute when we zoom down. But as we see, they have been on a fucking tear. I caught a little bit of it, did not see all this coming. Good God. All right, let's get more into it. So you get down to the weekly, and you can see where you expect resistance or something around there because the ceiling. Nope, it's tiptoed, got further, and then just kept going. On the weekly, it's still doing positive. It's still, and it's not making leaps where there's gaps. It is a consistent step up. I actually may buy into this one, but due to the monthly being here, I'll be a little trepidatious. So my cap would be like around 38 to obviously 37. So nothing that I'm going to hold for too long there. We get down to the daily. We can see where I did buy here, bought, I did not sell there, bought there, I sold around here due to having weak hands and then seeing this trace a little bit. I just got out. Though we see some tear there, man. And of course, there's always a pullback to look for. So if the high there is 38, but like I said, 37 at 37.90, around there 37. Likely my invalidation will be around here. So now that I'm saying this, so if, depending on where it opens tomorrow, I may catch you like a 36 to 37, take a quick bump there, and then maybe, yeah, then maybe have some in reserve, see if it runs. With the first invalidation being probably here, and the another validation being a little lower. So I'm working on buying things piecewise, so not doing as much all or nothing. If this one pays off, you know, yeah, yeah. So we see the monthly, it's high, bam down, and the reason why we're getting more into this one, where I am at least, is because these cars have been coming out more. They've been getting more popular, seemingly, especially with people not being a fan of this other Elon. Boom, there we go. So we see that it did come down, got up a little bit. So now it's kind of in this tunnel. It's bouncing around, but it's steadily making its way up, which is good. So it getting above this point is going to be critical because, it's a ceiling there. They've been tapping it, tapping it, tapping it. To get below will be a problem. But I think as long as it continues and goes forth, it can be better. Not just me believing it, but look at the charts. So you see here, it's been in a down, 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 down trend. So what we're trying to do is catch it when it's up. So down, down, down. To see if there was a line there. Oh, now it's trying to come back. Had the high there, lower high, lower high. So what we're going to wait for is a higher high. So, because it's making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. We can't neglect that. It is making higher lows. So what we're going to do is try to catch those higher lows. Granted, look at this one right there. Boom, you see a touch, it's off. Low here, can't touch, it's off. Touch, it's off. That's what it seems to be going for. But as it reaches the nexus here, I still want to wait until a confirmation. So let's go down to the daily. Let's get more into it. As we see, we do like gap plays, but this is choppy as the fuck. So, especially with a sharp turn up, sharp turn down, we're gonna wait for it to come down and fill this gap. Once it gets around here, then we're really gonna start watching it. Because then we're gonna wait for that pop back up. But of course, like we see here, same as we said. See, they had this here, then boom, had a higher high there. Yeah, but then track back lower, but higher low. See, that's what we're focusing on there. So that's why we're gonna come with this higher low, tap into there and then go for it. Granted, if we get tapped there, and let's say we missed that. Say it was during the day, didn't set an order for it. Boohoo. If it comes and gets out of this and just it goes through, then we catch it. Then we catch that. So that's a tentative plan. All right, I'll be more on it next week. Thank you for my inspiration to do these again. All right, later.